I brewed beer with cornflakes. I wonder how that tastes. Welcome to Cheapskate Brewing. My plan was for a pale ale of some type, and I used the Brewing beer recipe program, which works well for me. I brewed a 5 litre batch using filtered Sussex tap water treated for a lower pH of 5.5. The grain bill was 80% Maris Otter, 16% crystal malt and 4% supermarket brand cornflakes. And I used 9 grams of Fuggles hops at 60 minutes and 9 grams of Fuggles of flameout steeped for 30 minutes. The fermenting yeast was Safale SO4. Well, it seems like the cornflakes was a good idea. It certainly helped with head retention, and there is a slight hint of cornflake in the beer, or at least corn. And of course, I did start off with a 1058 OG, which gave me an IBU of 18.5, and that came out, according to calculations, at around about 5.6 ABV. But what did it taste like? Let's find out. But before you do, don't forget, subscribe and you'll get told about any other videos that I make. I'm very pleased with the flavour. It's got a nice malty aroma. It's sweet and malty. In fact, it's that nice, I may brew that one again.